How to use shortcut keys in Blender for absolute beginner. Blender 2.93 was released on June. Check out and download the latest version on their official website. Alright, let's start. I think this default setting is suitable for everyone, so click any gray color area, then go to the layout panel. If you are using MacBook, go to edit, then select preferences. Click input. Click the emulate numpad. Click the emulate 3 button mouse. Alright, if want to delete an object, press X key, then click delete. Press Shift A will show add menu. Select mesh, then click plane. Will got a square. Or go to add, select mesh, then click plane. Alright, also got a square. Now the perspective is not good for motion graphics. Press 7 key, change to top view. Press 0 key, change to camera view. The camera view can be used to virtually compose shots and preview how the scene will look when rendered. But this perspective of the camera view is not good for motion graphics. Press 0 key again, turn off the camera view. Press Ctrl Alt 0 key, set camera to viewport. This is the active camera to a regular view, for a convenient method of placing the camera without having to move the object directly. Alright, select the object. Press S key, going to scaling the object. If you want to scale a square to a rectangle, press Ctrl Z key to make undo. Press S key, then Y key, that mean the Y axis will be to scale, like this. Press S key, then X key, that mean the X axis will be to scale, like this. Alright, back to square shape. Press Ctrl Z key to make undo. Select the object. Press Shift D key to duplicate object, like this. Alright. Press Ctrl Z key to make undo. Click this snap button or press Shift Tab key. When duplicate or move the object, that ability to snap objects and mesh element to various types of scene elements during a transformation. Alright. Click again the snap button, or press again the Shift Tab key. The snap during transform function will be switched off. Let me show you. Select the object. Press G key, going to move the object. Now the shape can move anywhere without snap function. Alright. Press Ctrl Z key to make undo. Select the object. Press Shift key, select the other objects at the same time. Press G key, going to move the object. Alright. Click any blank area will be unclick anything. Press A key will be go to select all, even the camera view and the lighting. This icon is the light. You can see when select this icon, then the layer will be selected. Select the object. Press 1 key will go to front view, but in 2D that will be side view. Press G key, going to move the object. Press 7 key, change to top view. Hold Shift key and 2-finger swipe. Can scroll it anywhere. Press 0 key, change to camera view. Select the object. Click Material Properties. Click New. Surface setting, select emission. Select your favorite color. Alright. Go here, change to viewport shading. Now the object switch to display in color mode. This is important step when you want to change color for the shade. Let's try one more time, and I want to show you another thing. Change this square to pink color. Alright. Press Shift D key to duplicate object. Change this square to other color, but the original object have changed together. This is because we have used the duplicate function. If you want to separate their material option, click this minus button. Click New. Then change the other color again. Alright. One more thing about color. Select the object. If you want to change to white color, you will see the white not pure. Go to strength, set the number higher, then you will got a 100% white color. Alright. When you want the object back to the center, move the object out of the center first. This is a cursor. Select the object. Press Shift S key. Click selection to cursor. Perfect. Now the object snap to the cursor. Alright. Let me show you when two objects overlap how to bring the object to front. Select the object. Press G key going to move the object. Press 1 key go to front view. 2-finger swipe on trackpad to change the perspective. You will see these two objects as overlap. Select the object. Press G key can move the object up and down. So you can use this function bring the objects to front. Or you can press G key, then press C key. The object just move up and down. Or you can click this sidebar. This time select the pink color. Go to Z-axis to change number, like this. Then the object will be bring to front or send to back. Now we go to output timeline and render animation. Go to output properties panel. I prefer keep the frame rate to 24 frames per second. This folder icon means where you want to save the file. All the animation will choose this FFmpeg video file format. Click encoding. Container choose MPEG-4. Output quality I prefer select high quality. If you want to add music, audio select AAC or MP3. Now go to timeline panel. The timeline gives the user a broad overview of a scene's animation. Let's start to create a simple animate color change. Press X key, delete their 2 square. Select this shape, press Shift S key, click selection to cursor. Click material properties, click this dot icon beside the color bar then will be changed to diamond icon. The timeline will be showing an orange dot on the first timeline. Now set the keyframe to 20. Go to material properties panel change other color. Click the white dot change to diamond. Then the timeline panel will be appear orange dot on the 20 keyframe. Change 20 on the end field. Press spacebar. Simple color animation have done. Alright. Go to render click render animation. Take a time to save the animation. Alright. Check your animation file. Done. Thank you for watching and see you soon for another video.